welcome back to Maine Cooks. So for today, I will cook a very popular street food here in the Philippines, cheesy sweet corn. Let's start! Guys, alam ko na love niyo tong cheesy sweet corn and lagi nyo hinahanap si mais vendor. And guess what? Sobrang dali lang gawin neto and you can do it at your own home. A canned whole corn for this recipe and it saved me a lot of time. Sobrang dali lang gawin, diba? Wala pang 5 minutes, ubos na to agad. Try it now, guys, and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell for more exciting recipes.